Standing 33 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds, the brutal and savage hyena. Delivering a bite force of an amazing 1,100 pounds per square inch. With a mouthful of huge 4mm incisors. Standing over 2.5 foot, weighing 88 pounds. They have the bite force of over 500 pounds per square inch. And ridiculous 2-inch fangs. Capable of delivering bone-crushing bites with their massive 2-inch canines. They are incredibly strong. And can hold their own. But against the hyena they're in great odds. The hyena almost always has company. They are a highly aggressive animal by nature. Brutal and savage, they mostly scavenge and steal prey. The baboon is outweighed and outnumbered. Baboons tend to flee in times of danger. The hyena usually stand together. With this pack mentality they have the advantage.